This is a home. Denny has done a wonderful job with the place. We have a lot of beautiful flowers at home, and your grandmother is very happy. As you can see, her spirit lives in peace and tranquility. We have a beautiful garden here, thanks to Denny. So please continue to support Denny because he maintains this beautiful sanctuary for the great Cicely Bennett and Ashley. Yes, there she is. So Masberries. We have a beautiful sun rise this morning. Sun rises from the east and sets in the west. So we have a beautiful sunrise this morning. Our home is well taken care of. Thanks to Denny. Did a wonderful job for the family. This is Manchester, the beautiful home we call Norway. In Jamaica. Good morning. Whew, yeah. Thanks to all the subscribers for watching. I love sharing this beauty of my home with you. This is where I was born originally. And maybe I should just go take a walk down to Baba House. I'll show you the great Denny. At one point I was going to invite guests to my house when I build in the mountains. An extension. It's my grandmother's shop. This is the new house that's being built. That's the great Denny. He's the guy that takes care of the house. Now this is the new house that's being built in front of our home. It's beautiful. Take a morning walk with me. Beautiful mountain. Now this is a beautiful castle right here. Look how beautiful that is. Let's go walk and check Baba. Hopefully he didn't leave the bush yet. Yes, Tony. I have friends all over the place. Pops live here. Pops! Hey, Pops! Pops! Pops is not there. My clothes on the line. Nadine wash my clothes for me. Well, go on. What you there out this morning I do? Where my orange there? Yes, I'll go give me.
You know, so I'm people and those driving for you today.
Eh?
Well, I'm tasting we walk some.
It fly away, man. Me lose it. We have to go look for it in the bush.
Wait,
Over there, so.
over here, sir?
Over so near Mas Vincent. It fly up and it gone. The program must be bad.
Over there, sir?
Yeah, over there, so.
So we never look for it.
We don't know when Pops there go look for it.
Jesus God.
Yeah, man, you know, so you love it.
Sure. Where you make you fly away, man?
You know, something, me did crash it up at the mountain. I crashed it. And then, after I crash it, it looked like something now work. So I turn it back on and say, fly, lift off. It just lift off and just run away.
So you know this party job?
Me don't know where exactly it dropped, but me know the direction.
The direction?
Yeah.
Then we never look for it.
I forgot when Pops ready. Yeah, and Pops have to come help me.
No, man. And that's the way me I go to, you know?
Over there, say I go.
I help one of my friend about it.
You gonna help one of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'll go do it another day.
So I'm to Saturday.
I don't know if I go there. I'll leave out soon, you know.
And what?
I'll leave out soon.
Or leave us. No, you can't leave us soon. It. I know do not need.
I mean, I do not like what?
You didn't say I cook and put a soup.
Cook a pot of soup?
I want put a soup. So you not bother with the soup again?
Why? Things kind of slow down, I saw, you see.
Eh?
Things kind of slow away.
Like how slow?
You know, I forgot move me, I go St. Mary.
I got St. Mary.
Yeah.
So you not got St. Mary.
Sorry, tomorrow.
I when you got St. Mary, me not see you again.
No, man, I'll come through.
No, sir. You not come through.
Yeah, man. I'll come through, man. Yeah, man. You have a beautiful country here, my brethren.
Then me know say you love you, you know that.
You know some I love you?
Yeah, man.
How you know some I love you?
Then me know, man.
How you know that?
I know. I'm very soon you'll come back early too.
Yeah, you know, you predict a lot of things, you know.
Eh?
You predict a lot of things.
But I guess I tell me know say I'll come back early.
Mm-hmm.
Me a man like this, you know, me not love talk still, you know, but me know say about Abidjan.
Mm-hmm.
Say, you jump back in a place early and you make a start, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
And the start where you make. You see?
Mm-hmm.
You know say you pick up the house, eh?
Yeah?
Yes? Me see it. Eh? All the laugh, you couldn't laugh. If I guess Santa me can pick up the house. Eh?
Why is that?
As if you see that one day.
Mm-hmm. The family, man. When the family, me send them a picture. I know me one, you know. I remember say a whole tribe, you know.
All the whole tribe, I go do it. You see?
Yeah.
You just thinking in your head, say, you go there and tell them, say, watch out. I see a building
Mm-hmm.
right in my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
One stone fling down there, so.
Yeah.
And here, me go ask you, now I ask you, and now I ask you, what the position?
Yeah.
Come together. Who no one come make them about them business.
Yeah.
But make sure anytime hit done,
Yeah.
anytime you do it, and you never say nothing to me, you can't come in, you know.
It's a family thing, man. Anything we do for everybody, you see. But I them have to do it. Me do my part, you know. Hey, remember say I put now up on the map, you know, for the world, you know.
And in the pan again now.
And the mansion built, and who show the world the mansion? Me.
You.
Eh? Me come, me preserve 100 to 200 herbs out of Manchester. People over Jamaica say thank you. You know, me do a lot of work already now. 20 years me I do the work.
Me know.
You didn't know you a long time you see me with my camera and me I record it. And the old people them were dead off. Them live through the internet. Bongo D they a walk online. Papa Bears a dance round fire. Mama a talk. Everybody I live up so and I live in the world. You know, say when them say Bongo D, yeah man more meet him gone. But him still a talk and a send out a message because I know say me have to come capture them for the world. This is a special place what we call this Mount Zion. I mean look on it. You get up this morning and this a for your view.
Yeah.
You think a little people can do what I do? Look on for your land and for your big house and everything. When I live like gods, you know, when I live like kings. See Pops there? Pops, not even porridge this morning?
Huh?
You not even porridge for me? Nothing.
Oh God, man. You have to just let me know say you want some price.
Lord, man, me come here for how long now? A week and a man say, Ron, you want some porridge one of them, man?
I'm going porridge.
Nobody know how for me nothing, you know. No watch you know, you know. Me say not even a man bring me an orange and say, Ron, you want orange?
You know, sir, porridge the other day I'm sick, me not even touch bush. No, we me no go.
Pops make porridge.
You know say you want porridge, man. If you know say you want porridge, you get porridge, man. Just say yes, man, me know kind of, I think your program, you know. You know, so they're not so sweet to that, you know. You know that, do I? Yeah, and Jim. Me don't know your program.
It don't matter, man. I just need a gift.
Right. Oh, you give her nothing, man. Give her one too, man.
I look for a view.
You want orange or something?
You have work for orange or something?
Yeah, man. One bowl chair orange or
You got it today?
Yeah, you could have walked go down them show me now to go in the bush, you know, but me, you can't walk go down there.
Oh, I walk on the go see it, man.
And it's on hot to work.
All right.
But you saying something last? You know, man. I try my gas done and sitting here. See, I just somebody a bung like a coal and sitting. My gas not done and sitting.
Yeah, man, this is a beautiful. Him say me I go come back. Him a predict say me I go come back and start a thing. So him a predict.
Yeah,
but hear me tell you, sir, anything me start, you are going to dig the foundation. You agree to that?
Yeah, you cut me that time. Anything, me say you have to come back early.
Yeah. Anything me start do, you are going to be part of it, you know.
Me know say you come back early, you know.
We see what the Almighty I work out. Me see. Me soon come. Me go in a baba. Later. So now, I have to wash my hand, you know. Jamaica, you want to know something? I hurt my hand. Because I've been recording so much the elbow in my hand. You know. Oi! Oh, you know, sir. You know, sir, you don't offer me no porridge yet, you know. You don't even offer me some porridge or nothing, you know. Me come and the whole Jamaica, the whole world, I see you right now. And every morning when I get up and I say, Ron, 6 o'clock I drink porridge. Check me. Alright, sir. Big porridge to everybody. So this is my home, man. I guess I go run for me at some point. I love the people, man. They love me. I always come back and try to spin a good light for my home. Alright, I'm just gonna say this too now. At one point, did I go invite people to Baba's house, but I had some challenges online giving people information out. So I'm gonna stop give out information. So please don't ask for any information because you're not gonna get it. One apple spoil the whole thing. You know, man, forget to know you over time. So they go them there, cause man, I tell you, people vicious on the internet. So they go them there. You know? So this is I have my steady shot. So I'll go on. Yeah, I'll push you. What time you wake up for go, Bush?
When I hills, you know.
What time you wake up for go?
I wake up 5 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
And where I go deal with it? I go dig.
This our yam stick and thing, you know.
Hold the faith, you're the greatest now.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
people them know
understand.
say you're the backbone of Jamaica. You know?
Yes,
Yes. Give thanks. See, the people them beautiful and that's up. This is Jamaica good life, and that's how we live it. Baba, beautiful flock. Hey, Baba. I don't know if I'm probably gone already. You know. Baba. Bob. Baba gone. Bob. Baba. I'm more bass in my voice in want. I'm always on up on the third call. Bob! Baba! Oh, see him there. You know, see, I always answer up on the third, fourth call. Look like more and more bass in my voice. How you feel? No. You're not going to bush today. Y'all get ready for leave. Yeah, set up the feeding. How you feel? You alright?
Yeah, man. Okay, ask me some.
Just a check pound.
Yeah, alright, man.
What time you push out?
Right out.
Right away. Good to me catch you. But there, may I use my stick today, see it?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It stabilizes the thing. So we have the feeding.
Me tell you a little while
You
already.
mix it.
Mix it tranquility.